Captain Shades. Good morning, everybody. We are coming to you live here at 99.7 Core FM, Isentro mo. And right about now, we have with us on the line former Istanbul World Chess Olympiad member of the Philippine team, International Master Ronald Bancod. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all the listeners of your program, sir, and to all the players hopefully listening. Good morning.
Yan, okay sir. Sir Ronald Bancod, idol natin to mga kaseto doon sa ating mga tagapakinig ngayon, ano? Idol natin. Well, apart from being a former member of the World Chess Olympiad sa Team Philippines, sir, you were also once or many times, sabihin na lang natin siguro, na National Open champion po kayo.
Officially, I've won the national championship 3 times.
3 times. Okay, one of those is, could you tell us the years po na nag-champion po kayo, sir?
The last one was in 2007. So, been a while. But the significance of that was that that's the round-robin tournament held in Tagaytay. Wesley was the top seed.
Wow.
And he was already, he's definitely on his way up.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like, na-delay ko siya ng 1 year. Yun lang yung pinakamaganda doon.
Wow!
So I won the tournament and I even won against him. So that's the very highlight of that particular year. And I finished the tournament undefeated, thus earning the right to to become part of the Philippine team for the 2007 Asian Indoor Games held in Macau.
Wow! Okay, napakaganda naman po man. Ako, isa pa lang na...
highlight yung sir, by patalo si Wesley.
Isang trivia yun, mga kasentro. Tinanod pala ng ating kausap ngayon na si Ronald Bancod, itong si Wesley na ngayon leading dyan sa isang tournament ngayon ongoing. Well, okay sir, napakagandang pag-usapan yan sir, and I hope we will be talking about that more. Pero right now sir, could you tell us about this Queen of the North, a FIDE-rated chess tournament po?
Yes sir, thank you for that. So we are scheduled to hold the first Queen of the North chess tournament in Laoag, slated December 17 to 23.
Mm-hmm.
It's an all-female chess tournament, the first of its kind, exclusively for female chess players who are either born or raised from regions 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. Is this a standard tournament, sir, or rapid?
Yes, sir. It's a standard long game, FIDE-rated, and it's 11 rounds.
Wow.
To be more specific, this would be the first of its kind in the Philippines. Na tournament exclusively for women.
Regardless of the rating, sir, regardless of the title, as long as you are from the places that you've mentioned kanina, pwede pong sumali dito.
Pwede po, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. And aside from this, sir, is there also a side event po yata?
Yes, sir. Para lang since there is a big event and we also would like to cater to the other players who are from the same region or even from the outside the region, meron pong FIDE-rated na 9 rounds naman.
So standard din po.
Standard din po. Both events are for standard rating purposes.
Okay, klaruhin lang natin, sir, no? Etong side event po na ito, kasi marami pong nagtatanong sa atin dito sa ating himpilan, parang the question is whether you are from outside regions 1, 2, and CAR, pwedeng sumali.
Pwede po. This is actually open.
Ayan, okay, yan. Maliwanag yan, mga kasentro, sa mga nagtatanong, Yan, napakaganda naman pala ito. Well, I'm sure this is going to be the first and the biggest ever chess tournament that will be held in this side of the country, dito sa Ilocos Norte, dyan sa Laoag City, sir.
It just so happened that the people behind this event, yung UP Vanguard, specifically yung class of 99. The chairman for that homecoming committee is from Laoag, and I was fortunately able to convince him to adopt this project. And since he is from Laoag, that's the main reason it is actually going to be held.
In
in
Laoag.
Laoag. Yes, sir.
Ayan. Okay naman po sila, sir. Okay, sir. Are there any other people that you would like to say thank you or a shout out po na gusto niyo pong banggitin na tumulong o tumutulong in preparation for this big event po?
Ay, maraming salamat, sir. Of course, first, I would like to thank our main partner for making this event possible. And that is the good mayor of Laoag City, Mayor Michael Marcos Kion.
Sportsman talaga. Sportsman talaga si
Yes,
Mayor.
Nasunatian lang namin na yung mayor talagang we did not, the only thing I can say is that from the first day that we went to his office and made the proposal, I already felt na he will be supporting us from the very beginning, sir. I'm not sure exactly if he himself I know he's definitely a sportsman from his early years, and
the 80s.
I'm not sure if he is a chess player though, but still talagang sinuportahan na po ng buo yung event. And then of course, together with the City of Laoag, I would like to also thank the Philippine Sports Commission. The National Chess Federation of the Philippines also put its full weight behind this effort, sir. So kung wala yung basbas talaga at tulong ng National Chess Federation, we won't be able to hold this event. We won't be able to finally make this event happen, sir.
Wow, napakaganda naman talaga nitong event na to sa itong mga kababayan natin dito sa Ilocos Sur and the nearby provinces. Abra kasama po, no? Okay, marami rin tayong listeners dyan. Surely, marami silang ipapadala na makikijoin dito sa tournament na ito. Itong Queen of the North Standard Federated Chess Tournament para po sa mga female chess players. And of course, the side event, which is the Federated also Standard Tournament 9-round Swiss system din po, ano? Sir, para sa Open.
Sir, dagdag ko lang, sir, yung mga expected participants namin, sir. Of course, yung mga northern players from the UAP League, like, is actually from Ilocos Norte. She is Maid Sebastian. She has already confirmed her participation.
Wow, si Maid. Yes, sir.
And she represented the country in the World Juniors also last year.
And
so she's from,
Rookie of the Year MVP pa ng UAAP.
Yes, sir. So she moves. And of course, she will be joined by her teammate Bea Mendoza. Not WNM Bea Mendoza from Baguio. And of course, yung mga players ng UP like si Jalen Lacambra from Cagayan and Joseph Ferrer from Lingayen. Halos lahat po ng northern players na playing recently sa UAAP will be definitely be joining this event, sir.
Opo, and then one sure thing that will be representing naman the Ilocos Sur is si WNM Jemima Valdez.
Yes, sir. He previously from FAU. When she was in college.
Opo, napaka-exciting nga naman talaga na itong tournament na ito. So the first ever biggest chess tournament that will be held in Laoag City. Sir, ngayon pa lang, sir, International Master Ronald Bancod, congratulate na namin kayo, sir. And of course, we will be right behind you. Whatever information that you'd like to tell our listeners right here in Ilocos Sur and nearby provinces po, just let us know. And we will be more than glad to announce that on the air po in connection with this up-and-coming big event po na Queen of the North Chess Tournament. Sir, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagpapaunlak niyo sa amin dito sa interview na ito. Napakaganda po at this is one thing that our listeners need to know, specifically dun sa ating mga chess players dito sa probinsya ng Ilocos Sur and nearby provinces that our signal can reach na nakikinig po ngayon, sir. Your final word po sa kanila, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, again, I would like to invite everybody, specifically the female chess players from regions 1, 2, and 3. This would be the best tournament so far for women other than the national championship. And one more thing is that unlike the national championship, wherein you need to go to the rigors of eliminations and so on and so forth, here you can play with the very best from the north female players directly in the tournament. And it's not going to be blitz. It's not going to be rapid. It's a standard like 4-hour chess of top chess games, sir. So it will also be offering the biggest prize fund ever. So
Okay, tama po.
The previous record sa national championship, I believe, is 75,000. For the King of the North, we will be offering 100,000, sir.
Wow.
So again, yung sa side event naman, it's going to start actually on the 19th, 2 days later than the King of the North.
Opo.
It's 9 rounds, federated standard again, and the top prize is 50,000, sir.
Naku, sir, dami nating pwedeng pag-usapan, sir. Naku, ang dami kong gustong tanong, sir. But of course, I hope this will not be the last. We'll still have, hopefully, more time to talk on the air, especially siguro before the tournament starts. Mag-uusap ulit tayo on the air. Sir, napakaraming salamat po sa inyo. International Master Ronald Bancod, Olympian po ito sa chess. And of course, former National Open Champion dito sa Pilipinas. Sir, maraming salamat po sa inyo at magandang umaga po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, and thank you so much, sir.
Pag di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, pakiclick ang subscribe button and the notification bell so that you guys will be updated in my up-and-coming videos. Thank you.